In this lesson we look at some division facts. Now the first table we're going to look at is when we divide by 1. Now I'm not going to say much, I'm just going to let the questions unfold and see whether you know the answers before they appear. Okay, they're the division facts when dividing by 1. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, what about when we divide by 2? Okay, they're the facts dividing by 2. The next table we'll look at dividing by 3. Okay, so that's division by 3. So we've seen division by 1, division by 2, division by 3. Let's clear those out. What about dividing by 4? Okay, that's division by 4. Moving on to division by 5. Okay, that's division by 5. What about division by 6?